Hey folks, MonkeyKingHero here today. I'm here to discuss how to get Torchic, Treecko, and Mudkip in Pokemon Sword and Shield. The free Hoenn starters for those who are unfamiliar with the game. So you can see here I have a Blaziken, and that's because I was only able to get it in here, the max lair, which is located basically at the start of the map. As you can see here, the max lair is there. So, Torchic, Treecko, and Mudkip can't be caught natively. You actually need to find Combusken, Blaziken, Swampert, etc. in max layers, capture them, bring them back, and then breed them in order to get the free Hoenn starters. They are not available in the wild at all. They are only available as breeding, so you do need to have some luck when going to catch them. I was very lucky and found myself a Blaziken in my first attempt, but I do know that a lot of people aren't having that same issue. Of course, there is always the option of trading with people and such, and you know, just see there for instance is a grower right there. You need to get lucky, you need to catch it, and you need to make sure that it's the one that you take out of the max layer then, otherwise you're gonna have a bad time. I've also seen people trade for them, but yeah, what can you do? You can actually see here, for instance, if I pan the camera up, if you look within the stuff, you might be able to find the Pokemon you're looking for. If you can't, then go out the max den, come back in, and then wait until you see the outshell of one of the evolved forms of the free Hoenn starters, come back in, and then catch it, leave, rinse and repeat, breed, and then sooner or later you'll have all three. Obviously, if you also want to do the easy route, feel free to use the comments down below in order to trade the Hoenn starters for anyone looking. And yeah, that's all I have to say on the matter. Hope it helps you guys, and as always, I will see you in the next video.